Hello, hello. Why does Ronaldo clean his room? Because he's not Messi. Hoo, 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 hoo. All right. So today we've got hopefully a short one. We are talking about metric units of measurement. So in other words, the units that we use in Australia. Um, so what we've got here is I've just got a little helpful diagram that kind of converts our main kind of lengths. So, and I think if this is a helpful diagram, this is going to be most of the work that you do. We've got millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers. Um, there's 10 centimeters in a kilometer. So, oh, sorry. What am I talking about? There's 10 centimeters in, I'm going to restart all that. There are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. So that's why the factor here is divide by 10 times by 10. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So that's why I divide 100 times 100 for this factor here. And there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. Okay, hence the divide 1,000 times 1,000. Now, if you can remember this diagram, or if you can remember kind of how it looks, what happens here is you've got different units when it comes to area. Okay, and when it comes to area, I'm no longer talking about, and you'll notice, kind of looks the same. But what I want you to notice here is if I'm talking about area, I'm technically talking about meters squared, centimeters squared, meters squared, and kilometers squared. Okay, now, can I just use the same numbers? The answer is no. In this case, I don't divide by 10. I actually divide by 10 squared, divide by 100 squared, 1,000 squared, and same thing here. Okay, so there's the main difference. That now, if I'm talking about area, because my units are now squared, the way that I change my units are also divide by 10 squared, divide by 100 squared, divide by 1,000 squared, or times 10 times 100 times 1,000 squared. Okay. So that there's area. Now I'm going to take it one further. So length is kind of like one dimensional. It's just a length. Area is two dimensional. So what naturally comes next? Volume, which is three dimensions. Okay, so I've got a height, depth, width, three dimensions. And so let's see if you can guess what are my units now. Millimeters cubed, centimeters cubed, meters cubed, kilometers cubed. And you guessed it. What do you think is going to happen with the division and multiplication units? I'm going to need to cube them as well. So this is where the numbers get pretty big, pretty quick. But this is what I mean by a helpful diagram. You kind of only need to memorize one, and then you adapt it for whether you're talking about length, area, or volume. Okay. Now, there's a couple other unit conversions that I think are helpful. Just a couple things to note. If I'm talking about 1 gram, I'm talking about, and these are ones that you should hopefully know. So if you're feeling confident, pause this and see if you can fill it out without my help. If not, if I'm talking about a milligram is kind of like 1/1000th of a gram. So 1,000 milligrams is 1 gram. 1 kilogram, I'm hoping that you guys know this one. There's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram, and a ton is 1,000 kilograms. So as you can see here, there's a pattern with your thousands. And very, very similar here. 1 liter is made out of 1,000 mils, and then 1 kiloliter. Now I'll highlight this in another video, but normally when you see the word kilo, kilo hints that there's 1,000. Okay, 1,000 of whatever you're talking about. Now, the only one that's kind of different for today is sometimes we'll talk about hectares when we're talking about the size of a piece of land. Hectares are quite large. If you live on a farm or if you live in the sticks, you'll probably have a large piece of land that's measured in hectares. And 1 hectare is 10,000 meters squared. Okay, so quite a large, it's like you can do a lot of things on there. I think that is it. Hope that helps, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, bye. Oh, hold on. How do I end this video? What is going on? Guys, help me out. Ah, here we go. There we go. See ya. Bye.